Everyone. Here's a quick tutorial on how to create a custom Tailwind class name so we can add shadows to text. So as I was working on this project, I realized that there's no class called text shadow, though it seems like it should exist. I wanted to add text shadow to this text. So I searched on YouTube on how to do it, but I couldn't really find solutions for Tailwind, right? Then I came across this blog, and there's a quick solution that they have provided over here, which does work. As you can see, we have shadow added over here. But if you're like me and you enjoy using Tailwind to work on your project, it'll be much more handy if you can create something like text shadow, right? So the blog goes into how to do that. So we'll be updating our Tailwind config file like so. Yep, let's see if we have any issues. Yep, it's asking us to add Tailwind to our dependencies and not just dev dependencies. So let's do that. And yeah, we can ignore this name as function error. Cool. Now that we have done that, we can, let's say we want to add this default shadow. Let's see how to do that. We can just use text shadow and give a color for the shadow. Let's say we want to, yeah, you can already see the text shadow appearing. Let's say we want shadow black with 50% opacity. There you go. And let's say you want a larger shadow. Just type LG and we have a larger, more blurred shadow. I like this one. And now in your project, you can simply use text shadow followed by shadow of the color of your choice. Let's say red. Yeah, just like that. Hope it helps, guys. Take care.